Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my garage. This is Rick's Garage, and this is the Dodge Charger from Fast and Furious, Pack 12 at the end of stage 46. In 43 through 45, all we're doing is constructing the gas tank and also where the batteries go. So we got the cover here that we start off with, and then from there we put the battery cover into the gas tank along with the switch and the power cord. And then we finally top that off with the cover and the speaker, and then we install all that onto the chassis that you see here, and that goes into the chassis over here that you see. And here is the power cord coming in from the battery. So on stage 46, the last stage of this pack, we put in the PCB board, we got the speaker, and we also connect some electrics to the board, which would be the speaker and the power, and we have these two switches right here that operate the lights and the sound. So what I'm going to do to test this is I'm going to push this button here, and hopefully the LEDs will turn on, and they do. And this is going to eliminate the dashboard. Now this green one here should, on the first press, it should do the horn, and then on the second press it should do the engine. So let's see what happens. And now the second press. And then we turn that off, and then another press here, the light should turn off. Okay, so that's our test of the electrics. So everything went just fine. And this is the completion of, again, Pack 12 at the end of stage 46. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, have a great day, have fun in your workshop, and have a very Merry Christmas.